Good morning and welcome to YeeFit Adventures. My name's Darren and this channel is about backpacking, cooking, and fitness. Today we're here at Spooner Lake. We're going to be doing a little mountain bike riding up here in the beautiful Tahoe in California. Here's a map of the trail. We're going to be right down here. This is where we're at. We're going to ride towards Tunnel Creek Cafe near Incline Village. So it's about 12 to 14 miles along the scenic Flume Trail. So come join us. And we here at the Tunnel Creek Cafe. We're about to start the Flume Trail. Here. There are shuttles that leave from here on the hour, starting from 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, all day. It costs about $18, so it's $16 and then $2 trail fee. You can either park in a parking lot or on the side of the road. Alright, so I brought my Hydro Flask 500 milliliter with a straw. And the Hydro Pack Seeker 2 liter with the filter. I didn't have to filter any water, but it was a great option to bring. So I carried all my water with me. I carried everything. I carried a light fleece with me, some snacks, some bars, and some beef jerky. This trail ride, that's all you really need. Maybe some salt tablets if you cramp. We're here at the Spooner Lake Trailhead, just taking a quick pit stop before we hit the trail. It is almost 10 o'clock and we're estimating maybe about 3-hour ride. We're going to stop along the way, take breaks, and just kind of take it easy. Temperatures are in the 50s right now, probably get up to the 60s by the end of the ride, but we'll see you on the trail. Look at this. So, the first 4 miles of this trail are going to be all right. So we've gone only 1.6 miles, 500 feet of climbing. We've got these beautiful fall leaves. Still got another 2.5 to Marlette Lake. I got 2.44 miles. How many you got?
2.5.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah. Morning. Almost 3 miles. There's a restroom back here. Wow, look at this canyon. It's beautiful out here. No camping, Marlette Lake Basin. Yeah. Thank you for downhill. I think it was just getting on. Oh.
You go ahead. I'll catch up.
All right. On your left. Thanks. Alright, there's a chimney here. Marlette Lake. Here we are. Wow, look at that.
turn off or freeway?
No.
It's supposed to be like at the, I think maybe it was back there. There's a turn off that goes.
All right, we're 5 miles in. We're at Marion Lake. Just checking out the view. Looks really nice. I think most of the climbing is done so far. We'll see. How you guys doing?
Good.
Good?
Awesome. Beautiful day.
Yeah, it's nice. It warmed up. We were a little scared this morning. It was like in the 30s. Bridge. Oh yeah, there's the lake. Lake Tahoe. All right, we are about 6.25 miles in. We are on the Flume Trail. We got the lake on the left side. Awesome rock formations. This part is awesome. And a gorgeous sight of the lake. Cool rock formation. Wow. I'm gonna have to stop. Yeah. I got sunscreen in my eyes.
Yeah, can you imagine, like, so this is part of the place where Xterra. Yeah, like, how do you use it?
Sand Harbor? Or
Sand Harbor. I think it is Sand Harbor.
Sand Harbor down there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the parking lot.
Yeah. Thanks. Yep. Thanks.
Yeah.
Hello. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, right through between the rocks. Ooh, rocks. Narrow. Hello.
You gotta be careful here.
Oh, okay, I'm stopping. I'm not going to try.
I thought this is the walk section, right?
Yeah.
Almost made it.
We are mile 11. 2 more miles to the turnoff. It's very scenic. Flat on the Flume Trail, but it gets narrow, rocky, some spots. Mile 10.
Oh,
All
yeah,
right,
you don't have
so
Yeah.
we left the keys in the car.
I left
so
the keys, my bad.
Dean,
My bad.
happy birthday!
I know,
You have to ride back now.
I know, I've been kicking myself the last 3 miles.
Show me your map.
Alright, it's about 2.5 miles back to Tunnel Creek. It's pretty much downhill from here. Jay took a turn off the Tahoe Rim Trail. He's gonna loop back around, go back to that lake where we parked the car and get our car keys. So hopefully that goes well. Miles. On your left. I'm glad we didn't have to come up this way. It would have sucked. There's a lot of sand, loose gravel on this trail. We're coming down, it's a bomb. There's beautiful Lake Tahoe. Awesome. Yeah, that was fun. Yeah, it's what a suck climbing. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Back up. Thanks. On your left. That was the end of the ride. Anyways, I had a really great time, saw some awesome views, and I want to wish my brother-in-law a happy birthday. And thank Jay for leading the pack and also going back for the keys. After the ride, we sat down for some lunch. Alright, so we just finished the ride. We got 13 miles, 45. It was a good ride. The downhill was awesome. I'm glad we didn't go from the north to south. We started at Spooner Lake and came up and then went back down. I mean, either way, you have to do some climbing. And we had to walk part of the way. But it was a good ride. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. If you like more videos like this, trail rides, trail running, backpacking, cooking, fitness, please like and subscribe. And until next time, take care and stay safe.